Beach. Hello, hello. How you doing? Hey Andy. Let me turn this way and then you can see a little bit better. Got some good weather down here. So just come for a little wander along the beach. Hi! It is a lovely day. You can actually see Southend. Let me show you. So there's the Isle of Sheppey, and then just round the corner, can you see those white buildings in the distance? That's Southend-on-Sea. A little bit of a look. I've titled it Beach, but we're going to head across the golf course in a minute, so there won't be a lot of beach. Lovely skies. Hello. And then up round that way is Sea Salter and towards Faversham. Hello. There's quite a lot of people out for a wander today. There you go. Yeah, can save it on catch. Hello, hello. How you doing? What I might do is, oh, I had a good Christmas, thank you. We're just heading across the golf course, so I might retitle the school. So I'm going to go and come back, otherwise it's a bit misleading because it says a Whitstable beach walk, I think. But yeah, what a pretty day, isn't it beautiful? Hello, Simon. Right, I'm going to restart and I'll see you again in a minute.